This feels like so long ago, but I went to Saginaw Valley because I jumped around a little bit in college. I tried a little of this and a little of that, but eventually it was just my love of literature. And then, what do you do with literature? So I stumbled into teaching, and I am so glad that I did. I initially wanted to teach high school. That was the goal, but life had other plans for me. And when my husband and I moved to North Carolina, the job that was available for me was middle school, 8th grade. We moved back up here. I taught a section of 6th grade. I taught a section of 9th grade. It just reaffirmed that 8th graders are it. It's everything you want as a teacher. They are so smart and curious, and we have the best discussions about the books that we're reading, and when I read their writing, I'm blown away. I have beautiful writers in 8th grade, but they're also really fun and funny too. Like, I remember one day I came into my desk and my keyboard, like every letter had a Skittle on it. That is such an 8th grade thing to do. They need you just enough, but you don't have to wipe any noses. It's that beautiful balance of they're still kid, but they're moving into high school. They love their school and their family and their community, and they love it when you show up to any of their events or if you ask about their life outside of school. They're really great people. I love having smaller class sizes. I do. In fact, I love seeing some of these kids twice. I have them in one class of English, which is predominantly writing, and another class of literature, which is predominantly reading. So you really get to know these kids, and every kid is different. I mean, every kid, not only the activities that they enjoy, I have ice skaters, I have hockey players, I have football players, I have girls who get together on the weekend and they design their own, graphics and anime style artwork, and you find out what they're interested in, but then over the course of a year, you learn their backstory too. I think adults should spend more time with kids because I think I learn more from my students sometimes than they do from me.